popping and crackles is like pretty sweet. I just haven't really figured out how high in the RPMs I need to get it before releasing and stuff like that to make it pop and crackle. But it happens pretty often, I feel like, but it doesn't happen every time. See, you guys could have maybe heard it there. So it's interesting. And as you guys know, it didn't pop and crackle like at all when I had the car originally, or even after I did the exhaust. It wasn't really popping and cracking. But after I got the wheels changed, I guess that changed the dynamic of the drive enough where it started popping and cracking like constantly. So it's not anything ridiculous, but it's very nice for what it is. It's